Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the very apt Thunderbolt 4 and USB 4 quad display docking station. You may have seen a previous Instagram video of this at work with four 4K displays. This has 98 watt PD charging, tons of ports, and we'll get to all that now. It comes with a 100 watt USB-C Thunderbolt 4 cable. Both ends are Thunderbolt 4. As you can see, the 4 is right there. You have the power brick and the wall cord right there. So you get everything you need to connect. This is a metal stand for your desk, so this is not going to tip over when it's plugged in. Typically other brands include a plastic one or none at all. Here's the power button, 98 watt PD charging right here. You have the headphone port, USB 2.0 port, USB 10 gigabit port, and you have an SD and micro SD card slot right there, UHS 2 speed. And then on the other side, you have the power adapter port right here. And you have a locking port, so you can lock all of this down. You have two display ports, two HDMIs, 4K at 60 Hertz. You have a gigabit Ethernet port, a USB-C 10 gigabit with PD at 7.5 watts. Then you have two USB-A ports that are 10 gigabit capable and two USB-A ports that are 5 gigabit capable. So I've actually seen this in use and tried it out. It has 4K 4 screen capability, so with a Windows machine. Now if you have a Mac M1 Pro, you're going to get one additional screen with this hub, but with all the other ports and capabilities with the card slot, it's definitely going to be a nice addition to your desk setup. You can get it now from Plugable. This is the quad display docking station with Thunderbolt 4 and USB 4. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course, thumbs up.